Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create a shake and blur effect for your clips on CapCut. So first, just add your clips to CapCut and then click on a first clip, go to animation. Under the in category, find the swing button. Then adjust it to around 0.3 seconds and do this for every clips. Okay, the last clip. And after you finish, just click on a check icon and next go to the video effects. Click on the opening and closing and find the vertical blur. So make the effect short like this and copy it and place it on the beginning of each clip. And lastly, go to overlay, add overlay, and go to the stock videos and add this white overlay right here. Fit the size and then trim the length to fit the length of the clip and add keyframes at the beginning and also the end of the overlay. And on the last keyframes, go to opacity and lower it to around 20. Okay, copy the overlay and check if the length is the same as the clips. If it doesn't, just undo the last keyframe and add another keyframe on the last clip at the end of the last clip and go to opacity again and lower it. Okay, so this is for the last clip. And now you are done, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.